Park. I thank them for standing up for us, for being there for us. I know, I have to help you with this. For me, $1 billion is not something I've ever physically saw before. Physically, I've seen parts of $1 billion. But this is something that you have to wrap your head around when you think about the investment in a community that everyone walked away from in terms of investment in Western New York. This is a big deal, okay? Not just the money, but what it will start to trigger in the hearts and minds of the people who live here. Imagine for a moment, someone came and put a railroad track next door to your house, or in this case, a road. What it would do to the psyche of your family and your neighbors. This is what that road did. This action on the behalf of our government representatives lifts us out of that nightmare and brings us to a place of pride. So yes, we're gonna build the road over. It's gonna be sweet. Y'all gotta come. It's gonna, love it. But we're gonna also restore houses that were torn down. We're gonna rekindle the heart and soul of Fillmore Avenue and Jefferson Avenue and East Delavan Avenue as central business strips in our community. We're gonna lift the spirit of our people in a way that says we belong. And so again, to the elected officials, amazing people. I've been in politics for a long time, and this is unusual that they came together and made something big happen. And to the Rock Coalition, alone. Thank you. So let me introduce Stephanie Square, Stephanie Crockett, on the almost impossible suit.
Thank you. We call each other Stephanie Square because we've been doing this for a long time. This amazing appropriation would not have happened without tremendous leadership, strength of conviction, of commitment, and